Hello viewers. Welcome to Programmer.com. Today we are going to see about Java typecasting. Let's first see about the different typecasting. Typecasting is divided into two groups. 1. Widening casting. 2. Narrowing casting. First we will see about widening casting, which is done automatically, converting a smaller type to a larger type size. The arrangement of the data types in widening casting is in this manner: byte greater than short greater than char greater than int greater than long greater than float greater than double. Next is narrowing casting, which is done manually, converting a larger type to a smaller size type. The arrangement of the data types in narrowing casting is in this manner: double greater than float greater than long greater than int greater than char greater than short greater than byte. Now, we will try to execute two different programs to implement and understand typecasting. We have already seen how to declare the variable in the previous episodes, so we are directly going to see about the typecasting. If you have not seen the previous videos, then go watch it now. First we will see the program to implement widening casting. Widening casting is done automatically when passing a smaller size type to a larger size type, so we don't need any extra code to the program, just we have simply assigned the smaller size type to larger size type. In this program we will cast data type int to double. First we have declared a class of name widecast. Class widecast. Then we have declared the main method of the class. Public static void main string, args. Now, we will declare the smaller data type, that is, int num1 equals 9. Here comes the important part of the program. Here we have declared the larger data type double, and instead of any value we assigned integer variable to the double. Double num2 equals num1. Then we have wrote the print commands for both the variables, and let's see what's the difference between both the outputs. System.out.println num1. System.out.println num2. Now, we will execute this program in the command prompt. That is cmd. Now you can see that the outputs, before and after the typecasting, is different just because of the different data types. Here in the output, value of int was 9. But when we assigned the integer to the double, then the output changed and became 9.0. Now we'll see the next program to implement narrowing casting. In narrowing casting we have to add up extra codes in the program, as it cannot be done automatically. First we have declared a class of name narrowcast. Class narrowcast. Then we have declared the main method of the class. Public static void main string, args. Now, we will declare the larger data type, that is, double num1 equals 9.78. Here comes the interesting part of the episode. Here we have to add a extra code to typecast double into int num2 equals int num1. Then we have wrote the print commands for both the variables, and let's see what's the difference between both the outputs. System.out.println num1. System.out.println num2. Now, we will execute this program in the command prompt. That is cmd. Now you can see that the outputs, before and after the typecasting is different just because of the different data types. Here in the output, value of double was 9.78. But when we assign the double to the int, then the precise of the value has reduced. After typecasting, the value 9.78 changed to 9, where the precise of 0.78 has been lost. And finally, we have successfully executed both the programs. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you all understood the topic, and if you like the video then hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel then don't forget to subscribe the channel. Till the next video, stay tuned, stay safe. It's KK signing off from programmer.com. Empowering the internet generation. Tata. Bye bye.